If you upgrade your heating and cooling system this year and don't get funding to help pay for it, you'll be missing out. We always help our customers dramatically reduce their energy bills with insulation and high-efficiency Carrier heating and cooling, but we also promise to get every single penny available to help pay for it. Right now, the Assisted Home Performance with Energy Star program could pay for up to half of the work, and with incredible financing, the monthly cost is often less than the monthly savings on your bill. Don't miss out. Turn to the experts at Green Homes America.